Within any social interaction, power exists between the two parties. In organizations, power is used to direct people and help them focus on the task. It's used to motivate people to get things done. And it plays a role in decision-making, negotiation, communication, leadership, and a number of other organizational behavior topics. Employees tend to be more satisfied with their supervisors, tend to be more committed to their organizations, and tend to have higher job performance when they have expert and referent power. Legitimate power and reward power are not related to these outcomes, and coercive power can have a negative relationship with these outcomes. In other words, the more a manager relies on their coercive power, the lower their employees' satisfaction, commitment, and performance will be. As with most topics we talk about in org psych, power doesn't affect everyone the same. Power can lead people to put their own interests ahead of others' interests, the organization's goals. These individuals will sometimes justify their behaviors and try to persuade other people that what they're doing is in fact the right thing, even though it's clearly not. It can also lead people to objectify others and see relationships as less important, less significant. Powerful people sometimes react negatively to any threats to their self-esteem, and sometimes they're willing to do just about anything to retain their resources, including their reputation. Powerful people also tend to make decisions that are risky, decisions that result in poor outcomes, and sometimes they are way too confident in their decisions. They're not seeing the world as realistically as someone who isn't high in the power hierarchy.